Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing crochet distress locks for a client, and to save time on wrapping I decided to pre-make crochet down for the client before we get started. So the crochet locks are short, so we'll just crochet kinky into it, so that we'll just use the kinky we're crocheting into it to wrap our hair to meet the rest of the lock. So first of all, you crochet the kinky into the hair, then you compare the length of the locks to ensure it meets with the rest of the locks at the back. Then we start wrapping. It's distress lock, so you must ensure that you're not wrapping too tightly. Then as you wrap, you use your thumb to bring out like a bubble. Like most the kinky I used was frizzly, so out of the frizzly hair I ensured that I could select some parts that were coily. So if you look at me right now, I'm not bringing any one out anymore because that part of the kinky did not have the coil I was going for. So I just kept wrapping loosely around the kinky. Then I went to get another coily part of the kinky, a separate kinky, to now start wrapping around. I decided to use this kinky because the spring twist kinky would have been too expensive to go for the length and the volume we're going for. So basically that's just how it works for distressful locks. The point of full locks is just for it to be lightweight and to look really beautiful. So you can really just, there's really no strict rule to it. Just don't do it too tight so that it will not be too stiff for the client. I'm a very visual learner, so I'm just going to stop talking right now, and so that you can just follow the rest of the video. Please comment down below if you want me to post a video of how I made the crochet locks.